Easy, bring it down slow. Hold it, watch the rails. All right, contact, all clear. Lower slowly. Watch the left side clearance. Hold it steady, coming down now. Left side clear. Right side clear. Lock it in.
Adjusting the tracker now, make sure the readings stabilize.
Confirmed. Data stream is green.
All right, taking the weight now, ease it up slowly. Weight is clear of the dolly, steady lift. Hold steady right there. Got it.
Is it aligned yet?
Almost. Just a slight rotation needed. Ready to lock it down? Yep, give it a tap, make sure it's flush.
Ready? 1, 2, and snap.
Secured. Check the bottom clips.
All right, clear on the left, watch that scaffolding. Copy that, steady pushing. Easy now, almost there. Aligning pins now. Little to the right.
push down firmly on your side.
It's locked in place now.
Good.
Let's check the stability.
Blade inspection complete. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The engine is seated correctly on the mount. Finalizing documentation.
All right, team, easy now, watching the gap. 2 inches to go. 2 inches, steady, steady. Contact, weight bearing confirmed.
Maintain center line. Slow approach.
Confirmed. Watching the wingtip clearance on the right.
Check the reflectivity on sector 3.
Looks good. Consistent sheen across the fuselage.
Make sure that edge is perfectly aligned with the guide.
Looks good. Hitting it with the squeegee now.
How is the reflectivity on section Bravo 29er?
It meets the specifications. The clear coat gleam is flawless.
Unbelievable. We really outdid ourselves this time.
The colors are perfect. It's ready for the reveal.
The ground crew disconnects the tow tractor and secures the aircraft with chocks, ensuring safety on the engine run-up pad.
Cruising effortlessly through the upper atmosphere, the aircraft is a portrait of stability against the golden hour sky.
The cockpit instrumentation looks good from here. How are the diagnostics reading?
All green, sir. Pre-flight checks are nominal across the board.